Well, I decided to put colloidal silver in my eyes, and I coated my whole body with a whole concoction of stuff, and then I put colloidal silver in my eyes. I've uploaded a video on that. Now it's hours later and I can feel all this stuff, creepies that are in my eyes on top of my eyelid now. There we go, right down the side. It's tracked, chaotic, and I've now got a new 101 frown crevices. I'm sure I've got those if I'm really very angry or extremely happy, but not just a normal pose. And I've suddenly developed frown marks, which I don't have any. And yeah, look at that eye. Tracks. This Morgellons here that I feel creeping and crawling, that is just gone like dark. And it's moving all the time now. So I don't know, I don't seem to have a really good reaction with putting stuff on my body.